he hold me tight, then lets me go. You gotta say that you're sorry.